Hello everyone, I hope you are doing very well. Welcome to my Tech Hub blog. Today we will discuss about some more functions. So this is a part 3 of the expression rule. Uh, let's first discuss one important function which is enumerate. So what it does, let me give you the definition. It returns a list of integer numbers through 0 from 0 through n minus 1. Let's say if I give a 6, so it will return from 0 to 5 all the numbers. Let's test this rule. 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so it will start from 0 and it will count till n minus 1, that is 6 minus 1. If I give us 10, so it will count from 0 to 9. So here you can see 0 to 9. And apart from that, there is another important function which is length function. So it returns the number of elements in the array. It does not include null values. And if we need to include null, then we need to use count function. Now let's say if I have an array that is 2 3 1 7 9, okay, and I want to get the length of this array, so what I will write, this length function, it will return 5, that is there are 5 values are present. Okay, so this is about the length function. So let's say if I need to find the list of prime numbers, and the prime numbers will be, you know, what is prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two divisors, either it is the same number or the one number. For example, 2. 2 is a prime number. Why? Because it is divided by 2 and by 1 only. 3 is also a prime number because it is divided by 3 and 1 only. 4 is not a prime number because it is divided by 2 also, 4 also, and 1 also. So numbers which have only two divisors are called prime numbers. Now let's say the input is given by the user and I am giving this as number. Then this is the name of the input and the type is text integer. It is a single digit number. It is a single number. It is not an array. So let me save it. So number input is given by the user and we need to find the list of prime numbers to that number. For example, if user gives 7, so the list of prime numbers will be 2, then 3 and 5 and 7. So these are all the prime numbers. So we need to write that expression rule for this. Okay, so first of all, we need to include the local variables because we need to do some manipulations and use one more than one function. So we will use the local variables here. And let's say the input is given by the user and I am storing, I want to get the list of all the numbers which is inputted by the user. So I will use the enumerate function. So the value will contains the list of all the numbers which is entered by the user. If user enters 7, so it will give 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I have included plus 1 also, so it will not count from 1. It will not count from 0. It will count from 1. That is 0 plus 1, 1. Then 1 plus 1, that is uh, 2. And so it will count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 7. If user gave the number as 7. And I want to use the for loop because for each number I need to check whether it has two divisors or one divisor only. So here we have one loop function which is called a bang for each function. I will use this function, and in a bang for each, first is items, then is expression. Items, let's say in items I will include local bank value. So this is the array items, it has array. So value has, for example, if user gives 7, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so these are present in the values. Okay, so items will have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 items. And in expression we need to do whatever modifications calculations we want to do, that we will do in expressions. Inside expression we will check whether it has one divisor or it has two divisor. So we will count it with the help of length function, and we will use the where contains. Where contains will tell us whether it is divisible by 0 or not. So it has 0, and we will use the mod function. Mod function give will let us know whether this number is divisible by 0, or sorry, whether this number is divisible by that number or not. And I'll just convert it to two integer now. And this is a length function which will count all the values. If length is equal to 2, then we will print FEBang item. FEBang item is just the index, like local bank value. If value is 7, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it will iterate 7 times. So first time the FEBang item value is 1. When it goes to second time iteration, FEBang item value is 2, like that. Is prime number. So this is the if expression. Now we have the else part also. Else part we will give empty values. So this is our function. We have This is a rule input provided by the user. We are storing all the values in the local variable, and in a bank for each we are iterating all the values present in local variable one by one. We are checking whether 0 is present. That means if it is divisible by 0, so it will count as 1, and whenever it gets divided by that number, so that will count in the length function. And if the length is only 2, that means it has only two divisors, it will return this value, that means it is a prime number. If it has length more than 2, that means it has more than two divisors, that will not be a prime number, and we will return null value. So let's save this and we will test now. Let's give a 7. Let's say I am giving a 7 and see what is the output. So here you can see 2357. Similarly, let's say if I give 11, so it gives all the prime numbers until 11. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. If I give 99, it will give all the prime numbers until 99. So we have got 25 list of text strings here, like that you can see. So I hope guys you are able to understand the concept of how to find the prime number. And if you have any query or question, please do post in the comment section. And please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. This will give me motivation to bring more such videos. And thank you for watching. Thank you.